So here we can see we can give we are preparing rock paper scissors. So we gave some 200 sample for rock using the webcam. This is rock, and simply we hold here and to capture the samples. Paper. So here we can see the paper. This is paper, you can see here. So for Caesar we are giving the sample like this. We are giving the classes. These are paper. We made 3 classes for this rock paper Caesar by using this. Add one class. One is paper, one is Caesar, and one is third is rock. So after this we have to train the model. Like, so to train the model we have to click on this. So it will take some time to train the model. So we can see it will training is going on. So it will take some time. It here. So let's test the data. When we enter in the advanced section, so we can see here echo, batch, and learning rate. So we'll talk about the echo. We took 50. So with a small data set, like we took 600 images. So starting with around 50 echoes provide more opportunity for the model to learn from the limited data. Implement early stopping, which involves monitoring a validation metric and halting training with when this metric stop improve. This prevent overfitting basically. So, and what is like so batch size, being with a small batch size such as 16 or 32, small batch size can help the model generalize better on the limited data. So be mindful of computational efficiency. If if our hardware allow experiment with larger batch size, so we can take 64 and observe the impact of training. uh, so learning rate is 0.001, very low. 0.001 small learning rate are often suitable for smaller database. Avoid the overshooting the optimal weight. So now we are going to check our model is trained perfectly or not. We will see what's the result right now. So we're going to open the webcam for this. So uh, we are showing the paper for, so it is reflecting the paper in the result. It's showing the 100% accuracy. So we are giving the Caesar for this, so it will showing the Caesar in here 100% with accuracy. So we are giving the stone here, so it will showing the, it is showing the 100% accuracy. So we can save the result also here, so it will capture. So we can see here about it is successful. So we are saving uh, this result here. So for Caesar also we are saving the result, and then we will see the result also of this. So it's saved here, so we can see the show the result. So here is the result. So it is reading accurately, we can see here. The model is reflecting because of showing reflecting slow because of our laptop configuration is low. That's the reason. So thank you for giving your time here. So thank you.